Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's lesson will be colors. And so I'm going to go through a list of 11 colors. We'll learn them, we'll do a review, and then at the end we'll do a quiz. All right, so if you're ready, first word is color. Color. Okay, so do that one more time. Color. Just take all your fingers and you're just pretty much tapping the first two here. So color. Okay, and for the list of colors, the first one is red. So you just take your index finger and you just bring it right down your chin. So you start your lips and then bring it down. So red, red, okay, red. A good way to remember it is you put red lipstick on, right? So if you need a way to kind of remember it, that helps me to remember it. So think of your lips and red. Okay, the next color is blue. So it's good if you know the ASL sign language before doing this because some of the letters actually start with the letter that it begins with. So for blue, the letter is B. So you just make a B and you just go 1, 2 for blue. So blue, blue. Okay, the next color is green. So this one's pretty similar. So you make the G and you just shake it 2 times. So green, green. Okay, so again, make the G sign and green. Okay, the next word is yellow. So it's similar to the other two. So you make the Y for yellow and you just shake it twice. So yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, and the next sign is orange. So this one here is actually, it can be used for 2 different things. So for the color, and it can also be used for orange as in the fruit. So today for the color, you just kind of go like this, pretend almost like you're kind of squeezing something, and you put it on your chin and just do orange, orange. Okay, one more time, orange. Right. And the next word is pink, which is very similar to red. You're going to actually make the P sign, if you're familiar with that, and you take it and you go down your chin kind of like red, so it's pink, pink, pink. Very good. And the next word is purple. So again, we're going to take that P sign from before and you're going to shake it twice, so purple, purple. Okay, one more time, purple. The next sign is black. So you're just going to take your index finger and you're just going to go across your forehead, so black, black. One more time, black. The next word is white. So you're just going to take your whole hand and you're going to take from your chest and kind of go out. And you're going to kind of touch your fingers at the end, kind of like you're pulling it out. So white, white, white. All right? And the next sign is gray. So you're going to take all your fingers like this and you're going to kind of go in between them like this. Okay, so gray, gray, gray. And the last sign that we're going to do is brown. So you're going to make the sign of a B and you're just going to go straight down your face, the side of your cheek there. So B, sorry, brown, brown. Okay, one more time, I'm going to do brown. So you're just going to go straight down the side of your cheek there and it's brown, brown. Very good. So we're just going to review all the words one more time and then we'll do the quiz. So first word was color, color. The next word was red. Straight down, red, red. Right? And the next word is blue, blue, blue. And the next word is green. So green, green. Next is yellow, yellow, yellow. Next word is orange, orange. And next is pink, pink, pink. Next up is purple. So purple, purple. Next word is black, black, black. Next is white, white. Gray, gray. And last is brown, brown. Okay, now it's time for the quiz. So going through the list, what was the word for color? How do you sign color? Very good. Color, color. Next word was red. How do you sign red? Very good. Red, red. Next sign is blue. How do you sign blue? Blue, blue. Next is green. How do you sign green? Very good. Green, green. Next is yellow. How do you sign yellow? Yellow, yellow. Next is orange. How do you sign orange? Very good. Orange, orange. The next sign is pink. How do you sign pink? Very good. Pink, pink. Next is purple. How do you sign purple? Very good. Purple, purple. Next is black. How do you sign black? Very good. Black, black. We're almost at the end. How do you sign white? White. Very good. White, white. Next is gray. How do you sign gray? Very good. Gray, gray. And last, how do you sign brown? Brown, brown. Very good. So, as always, remember, repetition is the key. If you have to replay these videos, but always practice, because that's what's going to make you remember all these words. All right, thanks very much. Bye.